Hi, my name is Alyssa Aiello, and today I'm going to show you how to use 360 images in Storyline to create really engaging learning content. First, you need to get a 360 image, and a great place to get one for free is Pixazid. The important piece to note here while we're looking is that you need an image that is at least 8,000 by 4,000 pixels. Otherwise, you'll have problems with the image not loading properly into Storyline, and you don't want that. So, once you found an image of the appropriate size, download it to your computer, and we can head into Storyline. Once you're in Storyline, go to the Insert tab, and then click on 360 Image. It will open up a window so that you can pull an image from your computer files. So just select the 360 image that you downloaded from Pixazid. It should automatically fill in the slide with your image, but if it doesn't, you can always click on the Fill button at the top to fix that. Now you're going to click on the Edit 360 Image button in the center of your image, and it will provide you with some more options on what you can do with it. For example, you can add a marker and then give it a title and a description if you want. Or you can also insert a hotspot. That hotspot size and shape are customizable, and it's a great way to add more interactivity to your 360 image. Once you add a hotspot, you can also add a trigger to it, such as jump to the next slide when the user clicks the hotspot. You can also set how the image will appear to the learner initially. Open up the Interaction tab and hit on the Edit button. Then just drag until you find a spot that you want, and finally hit Set. Now, that will be the first thing the learner sees when viewing your 360 image. Before we part ways, let's talk about free navigation versus guided tour. This is a great option that allows you to either let the learner explore markers and hotspots on their own in any order, or force the learner to view them in a specific order. For example, a guided tour might be preferable if you're explaining a process. Thank you for taking the course. You're now ready to use 360 images in Storyline to create more interactive e-learning. Today, we went through how to find 360 images, upload them to Storyline, add markers and hotspots, edit the initial view, and change how the learner navigates the 360 image. Join me next time for another quick but helpful micro-learning video.